Hello viewers, this video is about the unboxing of my new Roborock Q7 series. Let's check what's inside the box. So upon opening the box, you typically find the quick start guide and user manual, the moisture proof mat, robot vacuum unit, mop module, power cord, and the charging dock. The best thing about the robot is that it comes with an auto-empty dock. The vacuum itself has a sleek, modern design with a solid build. The finish feels high quality, not cheap or plasticky, and the top-mounted lighter sensor stands out as a key feature for smart navigation. Initial setup is simple. Plug in the dock, download the app, connect with Wi-Fi and follow the instructions. On the first run, the Roborock quickly scans and maps the environment, which makes the mapping process fast. Overall, the Roborock Q7B Plus delivers great performance, smart features and real convenience. Definitely worth considering if you want to keep your home clean without putting in much effort.